Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a book on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Find the book button next to the screen option at the upper side of the screen, and here select a template. You can edit this template. If you want to add photo to your project, just click to the image button at the bottom of the screen and go to the third option, the photo, and here you can select a photo from your device. And if you want to change the background color, just click to the color option next to the image button and just select another color. If you go to the add button, you can add the text to your project. Click to the text button, delete the text and write, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can search different font type, and you can edit the color of your text, and you can set shadows to your text. If you want to draft, just click to the doodle button and you can draw to your project. And if you want to add the object, just click to the brush button, and you can find different objects. For example, click to the butterfly option, and you can add butterfly to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.